Good evening to all my wonderful viewers out there, and welcome back to another unboxing video series where I unbox my various streetwear, sneaker, and sometimes even jewelry purchases on the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing two pieces actually. I'm going to be unboxing the Kapital Oversized linen blouse and a bandana that I proxied from Kapital's online store. Feels like it's been a while since I've picked up some Kapital, so I'm quite excited about that, guys. So yeah, that's what I'm going to be unboxing today. Two pieces that I've proxied with good old Zen Market. I picked up the oversized linen blouse and the there's a specific name for it, but it's a flower bandana with various different flowers across it. Now, here's my thinking for this one. So, in the past couple months, I've bought the Wrangler 13 MWZs, and I love them. Fantastic pair of jeans. I also wanted to pick up a pair of the 42 waist little denim that they recently have released because they're supporting bigger sizes now. And I wanted to, come in, spend the money on the brand and say, hey, there's big fellas that really do like what you're doing, keep doing it. But as I finally saved up the money to buy these jeans, I load up Kapital's online store and I see it. See the blouse that I have wanted for ages to wear in summer, and it's back in stock. And I'm caught in between two options here. Do I buy the bigger jeans to support Kapital, to say big fellas love the brand and want more? Or do I buy the piece that always sells out, I have not been able to pick up yet, and I have nothing like it in my wardrobe? It was a tough way up. Ideally, I wanted both, but I didn't have that money on me. I only had enough for one, so I had to make the executive decision here. And because I bought the Wrangler jeans recently, I was like, I already have the jeans, that are fitting exactly that purpose. I have to go with this other option. So I went with the blouse option. And what further inspired me to pick up the piece is the video that I did recently where I was talking about my influences in fashion and 5 men that really inspire me in that world. I was thinking back to that Johnny Depp photo and many Johnny Depp photos where he's wearing blouses with heaps of necklaces and accessories, and I thought, I want to do that in some kind of capacity for this summer that's coming up. So it just furthered my decision making here in buying this blouse. And while I was there, I thought, why not? Let's buy a bandana. And I went through all the bandana options they had, and I saw one that I really liked, and I thought, surely it's not going to be available. Like, this is going to be the one that's sold out. I clicked into it. All the other colors, which I didn't like, had sold out, but my color that I wanted was available, and I picked it up, and it was the last one, so it was meant to be. I'm really happy that that worked out that way. And that's how I'm now here with these two pieces. I'm going to be unboxing both the blouse and showing it on body today, and the bandana as well. I'll wear them both. So let's get into it. Let's start unboxing these pieces. Now, I know what you're thinking. A blouse, it's pretty stereotypical for ladies to wear that kind of thing. And you'd be pretty right on that call. I think stereotypically the ladies have been on the blouse, train for a while now. But I really enjoy them. I think like a pirate blouse, that kind of style, looks really great on men. I think it looks really great on the ladies as well. I think that for summer, if it's made out of linen, soft, lightweight materials, it'd just be a fantastic shirt to wear. None of this cotton stuff that's going to get you extremely hot and sweaty. I kind of want something that's a little bit lighter. And I don't actually own anything that's linen at the moment. This is me exploring that material for the first time with you. It's white. It's a massive size. I bought it in a size 3. It either comes in a size 1 or a size 3. Regardless of if you buy the size 1 or the size 3, the differences in all the measurements is like 1 to 2 centimeters. It is massive. And I bought it with the confidence to say that because it's so massive, it hopefully should fit me. Still bought the biggest size anyway. So yeah, we'll see how it is. I really want to wear this for summer. I really want to go down the linen pathway for summer. It should be good. I'm really keen to explore that. We'll see how this fits, and then you guys can get an idea, because I always say I'm like 6'5", or 6'4", whatever it is, and quite large. So if this fits me quite well, maybe put that into consideration when you're buying your sizes, because it could be excessively oversized. We'll see how it kind of goes with that. But here it is. Lovely white linen color. There's my bandana down there in the quote unquote green color. Let's get into it. Let's get it open. Again, as I always say, we'll always keep saying it, I hope. Zen Market is incredibly efficient with their packaging. I don't know how they managed to pack it all into one small thing like that. I remember one time I bought that Kapital floral shirt that's made out of rayon and silk, and it was packaged in something that looked as small as a envelope. And I just can't believe that they folded it so perfectly into that kind of size. So the shipping cost me basically nothing. They do a good job at that, especially with clothing. I don't know about anything else because I've never really bought anything else from them, but clothing, they do an awesome job at that. Let's get into it first. I'll chuck that down here. So, opening it up first, we have the bandana. This should be really cool. Here's the design here. I'll try and get it out of the plastic so then we can, oh, plastic on plastic. Geez, we're really killing the planet right now. Let's get into the second layer of plastic. And, oh, don't tell me. Okay, I was so worried there was going to be a third layer. So, bandana first. They're nice. They're quite expensive. They're like $30 for a bandana, which like at vintage shops you can buy them for like 5 to 10. But you get the same designs. I think you'd struggle to find them very easily. Here is the design for the bandana. I'll try and fold it out without it completely going too crazy on me. But yeah, I really like the design on it. Green, cool pattern. I feel like if you fold it up right, get it really, really thin. I'm just doing this very quickly to try and I guess get the point across. And then do it as like an accessory to it on a shirt that opens up. Nice color options. The red trim makes it look really nice. I'm telling you, I can see a vision and I really want to try it out. We'll try it out with the blouse. And here it is, the big boy, the big piece with more and more plastic. Lots of plastic actually. All right, here we go. Now we're getting somewhere. Here is the piece. I'm gonna check this all down here. If I zoom and come out here a little bit, Jesus, look how wide that is. That is massive. That is huge. It is. Its chest circumference is 152 centimeters, a shoulder width of 70 centimeters, and a length of 76. This is a massive, massive piece. It's going to look huge. Interesting detailing across the top here. As you can see, kind of like a Philly design here, which I'll probably open up. I probably won't have closed up like it is. A massive pocket. Look at this pocket. This is my iPhone. This is the big size, biggest size you can get for an iPhone. I'll put it in this pocket. Look how small it looks in that pocket. That's ridiculous. I could fit 2 iPhones in there. That's crazy. They are going crazy with that design. It's massive. Well, now that I've unboxed it, I'm going to try it on just so you can see how it looks on body. This is a huge, huge piece. The fabric feels very lightweight and very movable. Let's get into it. Let's see how it looks on body. Okay. This is pretty crazy. I'm feeling a combination of like an oversized pirate or basically an artistic film director and nobody watches his films. I'm kind of feeling like this is the vibe that I've got going on at the moment. I'll close this door a little bit just so we have a bit more room. But like, this is huge. This, like, it's massive and all the details of it are incredibly oversized. This is the most oversized like shirt that I've ever had. Look at all that room. This is crazy. But like they've done everything perfectly. They've split it right here, exactly where pockets are for my high-waisted, my pants that sit at the waist. So there's not even that uncomfortable like picking them up. Oh, I need to put my hands in my pockets, because of how it's done, how it's designed. It's literally just a seamless. Look at that. That was perfect. That's exactly what I wanted. The frilly collar, kind of crazy. It's a bit stiff. I had to like move it around to get it to kind of sit more like a collar. And the pocket it's in a weird location because it's not on my chest. It's not high enough to be on my chest. It is on like my ribs, and it kind of just sits there like that. Like you can see my chest through there. Then this is just here. So I don't know what I'm going to be storing here. But it's fun. The material, so lightweight. Oh my God, it's crazy. It is incredibly lightweight. Again, I'm feeling like a pirate. I'm feeling like a Temu version of Johnny Depp. I'm feeling like a director of artistic movies that nobody watches at the local state cinema. I feel it all. I'm here for it. I'm ready for it. It's comfy though. I tell you, it is comfy. If I had some linen pants to match, I would be very comfortable in summer right now. I don't think I would be sweating in this piece at all. I'm actually very happy that I bought this piece. This is a very lovely piece. Look at that. And sorry, that's the detail that I'm like so hyped about at the moment. Just being able to go boom, boom, hands in pockets, fantastic. Because I hate things that are too long. And I wear pants that sit at the waist and I'm like, oh, I need to like lift it up to put my hands. Nah, comfortable. I could just, so comfy. So comfy. I'll probably change these out for jeans, maybe the Wranglers that I bought, and probably wear my cowboy boots. Or maybe I'll go down the pathway of getting linen pants, and then I'm set for summer. Although I would love like 3 more of these in white, and then maybe 2 in black. But they sell out. They sell out really quickly, and then when they come back into stock, they sell out again. They're just incredibly popular. So I'm just happy that now in 2025, this is my year to get one, because I've wanted one for so long. And I do actually really like wearing it with like a bandana, like the one that I bought. I've got heaps of them though, from vintage shops, from charity bandana days to support cancer research. I've got heaps of them. So I don't have to buy a bajillion Kapital bandanas to make the fit work. I've got the bandanas covered, and you can just go to your local vintage shops and buy them pretty conveniently. But this is so comfy. I am definitely going to be wearing this in the summer. It is the most oversized shirt I own, full stop. Buy it if you're a big lad. Like normally I'm buying stuff that's quite tight, and that's like 55 to 56 centimeters across. But this is huge. But it flows, it sits. I'm a fan. This is a very lovely piece. Kapital, like I said, I need 3 more in white, 2 in black, and I'm gonna wear them all summer because I love pirate blouses. Stuff like this is really sick. I think it just works really well. But let me know your thoughts. Now that I've shown you on body how it looks, maybe you're not a fan, maybe you hate linen, maybe you hate the silhouette, maybe you hate all that stuff. Be a hater, that's fine. Talk about it in the comment section. Let me know, because I want to have a chat with you. I think it's a very lovely piece. And that is all of it unboxed. Thank you, Zen Market, for your awesome services with proxying stuff over. It is still way cheaper proxying Kapital over than buying it at any retail location. Still in 2025. Make sure you're doing it. Save that money. I love it. The material's great. The collar is crazy. It feels very flowy. I feel like I could wear it all the time. This is a lovely piece. This is a lovely piece. I don't feel like this is going to cause me to feel stuffy or sweaty at all during summer. I'm going to wear it with heaps of bandanas, and I've actually got to tie it properly instead of just like doing this like ad hoc kind of tying at the moment. But it's a nice piece. I feel comfortable. Match it with a very lovely scent, and I feel like summer here I am. I'm ready. Let's do it. Would love to hear your thoughts and opinions though. If you like the piece, if you don't like the piece, maybe you just like the bandana, let me know what your thoughts are on the pieces that I picked up down in that comment section below. And of course, if you guys want me to keep unboxing the pieces that I'm buying, give me the 3 indicators I always ask you for, which is a like on this video, a comment in that comment section down below, and if you haven't already, the best indicator you can give me is a subscribe to the channel. As mentioned in previous uploads, I'm trying to hit the subscriber milestone of 3,970 subscribers before the end of the month. Hopefully with your guys' continuous support, we should be able to reach it before the end of September. But that is everything I have to say about this piece, guys. I do not regret it. I want so many more of them, but I do not have the money to buy them. Over time I'll buy them. It's a very lovely piece, but that's everything I really have to say about it. Thank you for tuning in, and until the next streetwear talk video, until the next Kapital video, until the next unboxing video in general, I'll catch you later.